Okay, today we're going to talk about how to manage on-page link sculpting as well as on-page factors for a WordPress page. So of course you're going to log into your WordPress, and the first thing you're going to do is, if you're going to do a post, click on post. Everybody kind of knows this process. Add a new post. I have already added some content here, so you can see here's my content. So a couple things right off the bat. If the keyword that we're going for is New Jersey Medicare Supplemental Insurance, of course it should be in the title. And the way we have the system designed, it also should be over here in the post tag area. So we're going to go ahead and add it there quickly and get that out of the way. And then we're also going to add it to our SEO on-page factor widget here. And remember, your description should be twice as long as your title. So you're going to need to modify New Jersey Medicare Supplemental Insurance for seniors and those seeking SUPPONTLCOVRAG. Okay, so now it's twice as long. So pretty much we just did everything we needed to do with our SEO widget. Now, link structure or link sculpting from pages. The easiest way to do this is to make sure that your keywords are here and available. So let's use Medicare supplement insurance coverage. This would be a great one probably to point back to the home page, and we want to have at least one per page pointing back to the page that we are working on, or the site that we're working on actually. So this one we're going to go ahead and link back to this particular site, MediGapInsuranceNewJersey.com. That's the one that we're working on right now. And you're also going to want to, in the title, put in the keyword that you are optimizing for. So this one happens to be a long one. And okay, you can open that in a new window or not if you want to. Add link. So now we've added the first link on this particular page back to the home page of the site that we're working on. And if you are ever confused, you're always able to just highlight it, go back in and take the link, and it'll show you where it's linking to and what the keyword is. So that's the first one. The second thing you want to do is to link back to probably a authority site or a site above you. So we call that uplinking, and it makes sense to uplink. So in this particular case, I'm going to uplink to Medicare.gov, keyword MEDICAR, Medicare, since that happens to be a very important site for this particular type of product. And then lastly, the thing I want to make sure everybody does is, if you did a page yesterday on the same site, it would make sense to go ahead and take a link from this page back to the page you worked on yesterday. And that's basically called a breadcrumb, and that's how Google knows which page you worked on last, and that's great for link sculpting. So go ahead and link back to that page. Now, a couple other things that are key I want to make sure everybody knows. When we're talking about links, there's a difference between text links, or what we call in-text links or anchor text links, and URL links. This here is a URL link. See how it's highlighted? And if you click on it, you know you're going to go to that page. The opposite would be an anchor text link, and that's if you take anchor text and you make it a link. So the difference here is we've got a URL link and we have a anchor text link. So I'm going to publish this page to show you one more thing I think everybody needs to know. If you hit view post right here and actually open up the page that you just built, you're going to see that this page comes up and the links are where they're supposed to be, but right here is the actual new page URL. Let me show you this real quick. Because when reporting, this is the page that you're going to send back. This entire string is this actual page's URL, and this is what you're going to send back, saying here's the page that we did, here's the content we did, and here are the links that we added on this particular page. The one more thing I want to talk to you about is keyword density. This particular page, the article isn't quite right. The keyword New Jersey Medicare Supplemental Insurance isn't in this particular page.